Ipau tuke ni Timbe apar kod auchiel moting'o aboro mag yawuoyi gi aboro mag nyiri biro rakore finals mag Safaricom Chapa Dimba biro bagi kind tarik 11 gi 14 dwe ni e lap ma Jomo Kenyatta Stadium kaachiel gi mano ma Moi Stadium kaunti ma Kisumu. E lap ma Jomo Kenyatta tim mar Obunga FC biro rakore gi Lisa FC e quarter finals mokwongo ka Bandari Youth mawuok kadho wadh Nam Chumbi biro rakore gi tim mar Wajir All Stars. PSC biro tugo gi Bandora Kings ka Ebwali FC biro rakore gi Chuka University. E kidieny mag nyiri, Plateau Queens mawuok Nyakach biro rakore gi Changamwe Ladies ka Brenda Girls biro tugo gi Siomunyu Secondary. Dagoretti Mixed biro pango opira gi Wiyeta kapok Barcelona Ladies tugo gi Wajir Queens. Bang' tielo mag quarter finals rumo, tielo mag nus finals duto ibiro bagi e lap ma Jomo Kenyatta.
Wajir All Star. Who do we have? Chapa Dimba. Who are lucky? Barcelona Ladies.
I'd like to thank Safaricom for making this event possible. It's been very, very exciting for those of us who've been around the country, attending the games, seeing the players, seeing the transformation. I can assure you what you see is just a very small part of what has been happening out there. And to that, I'd say thank you, Safaricom.
Our impact as Safaricom extends far beyond the pitch, as we've seen. Embedding ourselves deeply within the communities through the health, economic empowerment, and technology initiatives we've demonstrated. In tandem with the excitement of the tournament, we've prioritized health, well-being, and have conducted medical camps across all the 8 regions.